So you might be trying to figure out how to fix your iPhone if for some reason the iOS updates are taking too long to install. Now, to do this, it's actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. The first thing I'd probably recommend doing is to go through and make your way over into your iPhone settings and then scroll down over into your general settings right over here. Tap onto iPhone storage and you want to go through and delete and or remove that update that you basically have. So find that update, go ahead and tap on it and go ahead and delete it. That is going to be one of the easiest things you can kind of do there because that will just basically restart that particular, download. And once it's deleted, you can just go through back into software update, then just update your iPhone and see if that ends up fixing it. You can also try going through and restarting your iPhone and restarting the process to do it. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your phone, slide to power off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for you as well, because that could be another very easy thing. If that's still not working, you might want to just make sure you have enough storage saved on your iPhone in the first place. So make your way back into your iPhone settings, tap on iPhone storage, and go through and see and make sure you have twice the amount of storage needed to install it. So if it's like a 5 gigabyte update, just make sure you have like 10. 7 to 10 is going to be good. Just make sure you have enough. So go through, clear out as much storage as you can. Try reinstalling it. If that's still not working, you might want to try using your computer and try updating your particular device from a Mac or from a PC. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.